साइबर टेक्निक पे यही लोग रिसर्च किया है ऑल
So
ओवर वर्ल्ड के लिए। हाँ,
all of you are getting my voice?
यस यस यस
All of you are getting my voice? Vijay ji, are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
यस यस
Have you got this thing that I have discussed in the IoT definition? Have you got this one? I have taken the example of two buses. So it may be seen that some people will say that it is a hypothetical, sir. It is not a good example how it will be there. The bus will communicate to each other and some sort of intelligence. How some sort of intelligence will be spread inside the buses or the things. But believe me, for the time being, it will be there, and sooner than later we will achieve this. And whenever you learn the artificial intelligence portion, you will find that how these things will be there. It is all about the magic of data. It's all about the computational power. Okay, these things slowly we will discuss, but it will take the times. It is not a rocket science basically. So thing is like that. What we require the high computational power things. Okay, there is no limitation of computation at present. There is no limit of storage also. Okay, it's all about these things will be there, these technologies will be there, and it is the magic of these things. And analysis part, a thousand of algorithms are there for analysis of data, and through this we will achieve this one. So this definition is clear. Parveen ji, are you available with us?
यस सर
This definition is clear to you?
Yes, clear. Clear.
क्लियर सर क्लियर
This
Okay.
definition is clear to you? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. This definition belongs to the, I have taken from the ITU. I have mentioned the source also. So from ITU side, you can get this one. Otherwise, don't be in hurry. I will share each and every document from where I have made this PPT. Okay, and more than that. Okay, more than that. On the WhatsApp group. Okay, that's why I'm saying, okay, please stay with me on the WhatsApp. Okay, because WhatsApp is convenient to me rather than mail to everyone. So in this regarding further explanation is there. Through the exploitation of identification, data capture, processing and communication capabilities, the IoT makes full use of things to offer services to all kinds of applications whilst ensuring that security and privacy requirements are fulfilled. This is the important parameter, security and privacy, because I have earlier told also, security and privacy is the main part. Privacy with respect to data, security with respect to system. Okay, there are a lot of misconception between security and privacy. A lot of people say both are same. No, it is not like that. Privacy always related to the data, privacy related to the information, because data is free flow. Data should be converted into information. We need to, and every individual will extract information from data. Okay, if it is leaked, it comes under the security of this information, comes in the privacy part. And security means to make the entire system secure. It deals with the security of entire system, whether physically or the software wise or virtually. Okay, is that clear? What is the difference between security and privacy?
ओके सर यस
Okay, this is the difference. Security and privacy both are different. Security and privacy both are different. I will take this in the cyber hygiene lecture. Previously, earlier 15 days back, I have taken the lecture of cyber hygiene. In that, I have taken the entire thing. Some people from you might have attended that course. So in that, I have taken the data protection bill information, and that is related. That is the difference from the security side, security and privacy side. And these two factors, security and privacy, is just like a brake. Okay, just like a brake for the deployment of IoT. This is the big challenge, because already from since beginning I am saying IoT is a weak link. Inside IoT, we cannot make so much arrangement in the security side, because in case of IoT, we definitely we require real-time communication, but our challenge is much bigger than the real-time communication. We require the real-time decisioning also. That's why we cannot make our secure system much secure, because for security, we need to pay something, not in terms of money. We need to pay in terms of delay also. In terms of delay also. That is the main thing. That is the main thing. Have you got this thing or not? Is there any doubt inside the IoT definition?
No.
Because some people say, a lot of people say it is very difficult to grasp. Okay, very difficult to grasp. So that's why I tried my best to make the things very simple. Okay, I tried my best to make things very simple, because earlier, around 5 years back, when I started learning the IoT, you will not believe me, this completely things will go from beyond of my head. Okay, I was not able to accept the things basically, okay, what basically a physical and what basically a virtual. I always think physical means it will be a hardware, and virtual means it will be a software. And in
Yes.
initial phase of learning, I was struggled with what will be the difference between the embedded technologies and IoT. I asked so many times for the from the expert. So some people say it is little bit different